What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. The Beamer, I had to like flip it around. Let the vlog begin. Great, like I can care less about. I had to flip the car around because Amanda wanted to do a shoot here, so I ended up moving the car and then putting hers here, and then we did a whole over back, and I actually moved it so that way the front is looking cold, looking good. One thing I do want to say, bro, I had a raccoon on my car in the middle of the night, and the only reason why I can tell is because it's so dirty. Look, see the paw prints. It looks good. It looks really good. So passenger side's done. We're actually going to start working on the driver's side. I'm going to push everything back, screw it in, see if we can get the screen in today in the lower half. Yeah, we're really going to be focusing on doing the dash and stuff now, and then the back I'll kind of work as I go. So we're just going to keep it going. We're about to put the screen in right now, and then afterwards we're putting the carbon fiber trim above, so that way the carbon fiber will flow all the way around. Screen will be in, it's going to look so good. Yeah. This is going to be in here temporarily just so I can make sure that the last carbon fiber piece fits, and if it does, then we'll be all good. I have to take this back out because I am putting a reverse camera in here, and I have to rewire my amp and all that other crazy stuff. So, and just so we're clear, I'm probably not going to record most of me doing like the wiring, like me having to rewire this part of my amp and little stuff like that. I will show you guys me doing the reverse camera. That's going to be a separate whole video that I'm going to make. It's not going to be with this, but it might be. I don't know. Now, my only concern is this piece right here. Like, what is that all about? Why is it just one whole piece? I'm assuming that this piece would be covered up, but I'm not 100% sure. I mean, I guess we'll see once we get out there, but I'm pretty sure this part gets covered up, because why is there just like one whole piece missing? But I mean, let's go take it out there and see what's up. Yeah, so just from looking at this piece, it's gonna fit in there nicely, but yeah, so see, just like I'm saying, this piece right here is exposed. It's just showing out brown. Like, what? This isn't fully in because I still have to screw this in and then really slide this in like it needs to. But I don't like, it's like all carbon fiber, then there's just that one piece, and it's noticeable. Maybe there's another smaller piece. I think there is like a smaller like square piece. I have to go through everything to find it though, because it's literally like the smallest piece ever, if anything. Man, besides that, it looks good. With the screen in there and all the carbon fiber. Tell me what you guys think in the comment section down below. I think it looks sick. I think it's really coming together now. Yo, what's going on? It's your boy Champ, you already know. Make sure that you guys go ahead and drop that like, so just, you know, click right there, that's all you gotta do. And then scroll all on over here, hit the subscribe, and make sure I hit the notification bell. Click on all so you get all the notifications. Let's get back to the video. I love y'all. We out. So what I want to do now is, yes, I know I took it apart, but I do need to hook up this. I need to make sure that this is still working because it's been forever since I've used it. I mean, since it's been plugged up. So I just want to plug it all up, make sure it's all good. If so, we're going to screw it down, put this bottom section in, and then this whole piece would be done. I have a new fan on order because I did end up breaking the old one, so that will be here sometime soon. Not in this video, but we will be putting that in within the next couple of videos. You'll see it soon. I mean, I ordered a few things and they are taking time to get here, so until then, well, the car is going to be basically close to done. But yeah, I'm gonna take this back out and hook up the screen and see and make sure that everything works. Alright, so now that I got all the wires tucked up in a way, there are a few more I need to connect, so let's run inside real quick. I want to show you guys something. Alright, so here is the gauge cluster. Now, a few things that I wanted to add. Don't worry about the cat here. There's a few things that I wanted to do with this. So first off, I ordered like the rings. So like if you see the M3 gauges, they have that silver ring that goes around it. I was thinking about taking this apart and installing it, but I don't know if I want to mess this up because it's a good gauge cluster. Everything works on it, everything's popular and everything works fine. I don't know though, I kind of want to put that on there. I'll try to put like a side by side. So here is the original and then above should be like what the M3 one looks like. Comment down below if you guys think I should do it. I am going to install this as is for now, but if we do have enough comments or if people are actually active and they say they want to see something different like that, then maybe I'll do it. Let me know what you guys think on what you think I should do, because I've been kind of iffy on if I want to just keep this one, upgrade, or customize this one. But again, for now, this is going in the car, so I'm going to clean this up really quick and we're literally going to install this today. So if you guys saw, when you guys saw earlier, I was trying to grab the cords. I completely forgot that there were the two cords for this one, and I had to pull it out and literally just work with what I have because it's already screwed in. So I would have to unscrew and take all the stuff back out in order to pull it out just to get it. But I did finesse. You guys saw what happened. I finessed it and we got it in. It looks so good, man. Like, oh man, I miss my gauge cluster being in here. It looks so good. Oh man, the car is really coming together now. It's just like the little stuff, man. Like if I had my fan already, boom, that whole piece will look done. And then with the carbon fiber back here, that will look good. And then with the little pieces down here at the bottom, that will look great too. But of course, it just takes time, guys. So I know it's probably unlikely that a lot of you guys who've been watching me from the very beginning are still here, but if you are, I really do appreciate you guys. Just viewing the video, leaving a like, and supporting is the best thing that you can do, and it keeps pushing me to keep going with this build. I generally love working on cars. I would love to make this my entire life if it's possible. So please support your boy, so hopefully one day I can just continue to do this and have fun doing it. So anyways, we gotta just screw this in really quick. It's just two screws here and here. I know it's kind of hard to see with the light, but just a screw here and a screw here, and then this would be all locked back in place. After that's in, we're gonna start the car up and see what happens. And that's what I just want to see this move. I want to see this be able to move. I want to be able to turn my lights on. If I can do that, I'm gonna be happy. Like regardless, I'm gonna be so happy. All right, I know the lighting's gonna be terrible. I'm sorry. This is the moment of truth. Hold on, let me see if I can. Moment of truth, we are going to start it and see if the gauges move and if the screen turns on. That's all we need. If both of those work, that means everything's plugged up properly, and I'm gonna be really happy. So I'm gonna zoom in so you can get a good look at it. Oh. 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 Let's go! Oh man, I'm sorry. I know the lighting's probably really terrible, but you can see my screen is turning on and my gauge cluster is working. Everything is on. Everything is working. That is a dub. That screen startup though. Sheesh. Got the beamer in the background. We gotta get a new one. Oh wow, it's even got that. Hold on, that's new. I don't ever remember that being on there. Huh. That, I'm not gonna lie to y'all, that did not happen before. What? That's cool. This is like it might have been an update. I can see the temps and stuff too. Okay, I'm not entirely sure what's going on, but for some reason it's working with everything. Like the door works, I can do that, open it and close it, and it shows up. It did not do that before, so maybe I just forgot to connect one of the connections and I didn't do that part properly, but it's in now, and it's yeah, it's working. If you guys are OGs, you know about the screen. If you're fairly new to the channel, this is my part of my actual dash. I've had this before I started this build and everything. This thing works really well if you can connect it to a hotspot or internet. You can get YouTube, you can get just your regular music, you can get Netflix. I got Crunchyroll in here for anime heads, literally everything. Like, it's really cool. I can literally sit in here, especially because I'm here at my house now. I can connect to the Wi-Fi and literally just watch whatever I want. It's pretty cool. Now that I see that everything's working now, we're moving, man. One of the biggest things is I'm doing a different steering wheel. I can't remember if I told you guys that before. We are swapping this out. I already found the steering wheel I want. It looks really good. I need to order it. Just haven't done it yet. And when I do, it's gonna really bring this whole front together, man. I'm so excited. So I just like admiring it, man. It just looks so good. Like, the more we put together, the better it looks every time. Like, all right, so I have this piece. I need to clean it. I'm not gonna record myself cleaning this, and then I need to find the top piece. I believe it's in my truck. I mean, in my car, sorry. I just need to wipe all the stuff down so we can put this back in as well. This one just has 2 screws at the top, 2 screws at the bottom, and this literally just sits right in place. We also have to plug stuff back in the back, so we'll do all of that stuff, and then we'll be good to go. Yes, sir. It's looking good in here, man. Now that everything's coming back together, oh, I can't get over it. Oh my God. The one issue with me putting this in here is the fact that this whole centerpiece right here is not actually fully done. So basically, because of me installing the screen, I know you can't really see it, but you can see my finger, installing the screen, it made it a little bit harder for me to install everything else. It's like I have to buy a specific modular piece for this. It's kind of like I would take this top piece off and then put another piece onto it that helps make everything fit properly, because once I get it in here, the climate control piece kind of sits weird at an angle because of the screen, unfortunately. Now I ordered that, but that's going to be a little bit before that gets here as well, just because everything I'm ordering is just taking its sweet ass time. Probably the most annoying and frustrating part about this whole build, because we're starting to get to that point now where we're putting everything back together, but there's still like a few things that need to be done, you know what I mean? Yes sir, yes sir. So you can see it's in. Just gotta get the last piece for right here, then it's all good to go. This piece is gonna sit right here on top, just so you can see. It kind of brings it all together. Of course, the cup holder and all that stuff comes about right here, but for now we don't have to worry about that because that's not gonna happen in today's video. But you can just see it's all coming back together. This was really got me happy, man. It's looking so good. Every single thing we did today has really made progress and really shown and made the car look a whole lot better. I'm just so happy with the results. But we are gonna wrap things up here, so if you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Like always, your boys is continuing with the content, continuing to get things done. We are getting there, man, so let's see. Let's see if that comes on. Nope. Oh, the lights come on. That's good. They're not gonna show up specifically because I don't have my stuff plugged up, so. Oh, hi buddy, how's it going? This is my neighbor's dog. Hi, how are you?